Hi guys, in this tip I will explain to you how to create array in Adobe Photoshop using single shape as starting point. Everything works exactly the same with pixel based layers, but advantage of using shapes or shape layer is that you can place all shapes in array on single shape layer, and another advantage is that you can scale shapes up and down without any loss of quality. So the first step is to create shape layer in Adobe Photoshop and to select it in the layers panel. You must ensure that shape path is selected in paths panel, or you can use path selection tool and to click on shape to select it. Press Ctrl Alt T to enter free transform mode with copy. Move shape, you can also scale and rotate it, and then confirm using enter. The next step is to press Ctrl Shift Alt T couple of times and you will create array. Let me undo to demonstrate how everything works when scaling and rotating shape. So the first step is Ctrl Alt T, then I will move shape, scale it and rotate. I will confirm on enter, and now comes Ctrl Shift Alt T couple of times. So thanks for watching and cheers. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends.